Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Balinese chicken satay. Here I have 350 gram chicken breast, and I'm going to marinate the chicken breast with salty soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, peanut dipping sauce, salt, white pepper powder. If you would like to know how to make the peanut dipping sauce, please check the description. So let's start. The first, I'm going to cut the chicken into the cube. I'm going to put into the bowl, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon sweet soy sauce, 1 tablespoon salty soy sauce, 1 tablespoon peanut dipping sauce, pinch of salt, pinch of white pepper powder, and mix together. Cover with the plastic wrap, and we're going to marinate the chicken about 1 hour before we grill them. See you in an hour. Welcome back. It's been an hour. Now we're ready to skewer the chicken. Here I have some bamboo skewer. I'm going to cut them shorter because they are too long for my grill pan. Now we're going to skewer the chicken. You can put 5 pieces of the chicken into one skewer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The skewer is ready, and now it's time to grill them. Now I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil. I just use my hand. Heat the pan, and we're going to add the skewer when the pan is ready. Let's add the skewer now. Turn it over when the color is like this. Now they're ready, so we just move them into the plate. So here I have a peanut dipping sauce. This is called achar, or cucumber, shallot, and small green chili pickles. And I'm going to put some fresh salad on the top, and a splash of sweet soy sauce. Here we are, Balinese chicken satay with peanut dipping sauce and achar. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and if you would like to know how to make peanut dipping sauce, please check the description, and see you next time. Matur suksema.